We're approaching the south gate now, running 10 minutes ahead of schedule.
Okay, you're cleared. Proceed to Bay 3.
All right, drivers, let's keep the line moving, non-stop.
The shredder can handle it.
The shredded sugarcane enters enormous crushing mills. Giant steel rollers squeeze the material. The turbidity levels are dropping faster than projected here at Tank 3.
Yes, the membrane filtration is working optimally. Let's maintain the flow rate.
Clarifier levels stable across the board. Good.
Maintain current flow rate and monitor density at the outflow.
Purified juice flows into giant storage vessels. Pumps transport it toward evaporation units. Every golden syrup enters giant vacuum pans. Massive vessels dominate the hull. Reduced pressure encourages crystal.
The crystallization rate is stable. We are reaching saturation point.
I noticed. The yield looks promising for this batch.
We should increase the temperature by 2 degrees to optimize the growth rate. Agreed. The density is looking good.
Separated molasses flows into storage systems. Valuable byproducts are collected efficiently. Nothing is wasted in the factory. Proved sugar enters screening machines. Fine meshes sort crystals by size. Different grades move to separate lines. Automation ensures consistency.
Automated fillers dispense precise amounts of sugar. Bags.
Sealing machines close every package securely. Labels are applied automatically. Product information.
Affirmative on the sugar pallets to aisle 4. Confirming pickup for shipment 203B.
Warehouse 3, confirm manifest 7B.
Roger that. 7B confirmed. Bring the next pallet in.
Continue on I-80 East, arriving at your destination in approximately 3 hours.